One of the most important things to do if you're a short-term rental owner or property manager is to change your HVAC filters. There's 3 things that can happen if you don't do that. Number 1, a lot of guests will go and look at those filters. If they're nasty, they're nasty. You're going to get a negative review. You could have a picture put right onto your posting. Number 2, that filter is super important for maintaining the overall performance of the HVAC system. So you're paying a lot more in ongoing electrical bills if it's sucking up electricity because it can't get air into it. And then number 3, an average HVAC system could be anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. If you're not changing it, you're cutting its life by 50, maybe even more %.